Hey guys, it's Anna, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a helicopter. By doing these steps, I was able to learn it in just one day, so hopefully they help you do it too.
Wanted to please my friends, but it felt
Before learning a helicopter, you should always warm up and stretch. To do this, I recommend following along to my full body stretching routine, which I'll link down in the description.
I was lost, so I had to change. Yeah, I shook off all the bad vibes, cut me loose from the pettiness they turned on me.
The next step is to practice holding a candlestick position. While doing this, make sure to keep your back straight and toes pointed towards the ceiling, and you can also use your hands to help you balance.
No matter what they say, this is who I am. This is who I am now.
Next, practice separating your legs in the candlestick. Make sure to do this on both sides.
They think that I have lost my mind, that I'm not being true, but they don't have a clue, 'cause this is me when I cut up.
Next, go into your split leg candlestick and practice going through a straddle to switch legs. This is the motion that your legs will be moving in during the helicopter.
In a small frame, but I won't play your game anymore, so I had to change.
Now start laying on your side and do the same leg motion to swing into the straddle candlestick. This is the motion you will do to start the helicopter.
I am perfectly free to be me. This is who I am. This is who I am.
Once you're comfortable with swinging into the candlestick, practice flipping over your shoulder to go into a chest stand. If you find this step hard because you can't hold the chest stand, I have a tutorial on that as well, which I'll link in the description. Finally, just speed up the last step to do a helicopter.
I'm gonna let them talk.
And that's it for this tutorial, so I hope it helps you get your helicopter. If you didn't get it in one day, that's completely fine. Just keep working towards it by doing these steps, and you should be able to do it eventually. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and you can click here to watch my most recent video. To subscribe to my channel, just click here, and don't forget to press on the notification bell so you get notified every time that I upload a new video. Bye!